Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Melina with Me Crafty Scrapper on Instagram and here on YouTube. Today I wanted to share with you how I set up my layout when I'm about to do some creative journaling. I have my simple dory from Cocoa Daisy, and I have some of the pattern papers. I've cut some circles out of the pattern papers with my very old Creative Memories circle punch. I have also cut a border. Since this kit is the theme to the sea, I thought this bubble border or circle border went quite well with the kit. And this is a punch from Martha Stewart I have used for that. I'm going to place that here, and it's going to come off of the page just a little bit, and I'll show you how I attach that in just a moment. I have one of the die cuts because this is going to be my summer happy list creative journaling entry. Here's some more of the papers. Like I said, I've cut out some of the circles, and this is with the 1 1/4 inch circle punch, and I cut this is a 3/4 inch wide strip of paper that I'm going to put here for a little border and have my title sideways there. And I'll be using some of the Alpha puffy stickers. I will also be using some of the lettering stickers from the memory keeping sticker kit. I may use a stamp or two, and with these kits the stamps are adorable, so that works out quite well if I want to use a stamped image. And let's see, of course some washi, and some of the printables too, probably. So I will start on this. I'll come in through it and talk with you, let you know what I'm about to do, and then speed up this part where I'm just, adhering down stuff. That's a little boring, so I'll speed that up a little bit, and then I'll pop in every once in a while through the sped up parts and let you know what's going on and what I'm about to do. And then I will show you my lettering process. I'll do some of my journaling entry and then speed that up, and at the end show you some still photos of the finished product. So here we go. Okay, so there are my two bordering pieces, clusters, whatever, that I wanted to add. I've got that border there with my bubbles, kind of, and my word to use lately is wonky, and I didn't do it any rhyme or reason, just kind of did a little wonky there. And so this is a 3/4 inch piece of paper, and then a little bitty strip that I hand torn on the edge and added it there with my art glitter glue that I got from scrapbookingwithme.com. And let's see, then I added my bubble border punch piece there, and I'm going to put some washi tape on the edge here just as a little decorative edge and to kind of mimic my lines that I have over here. These washi tapes that we got in the Cocoa Daisy kits this month are so pretty. Now look, I don't want to cover up all of my holes here that I punched with that border punch, so I'm going to set it out just a little bit, and this paper works really well because it's that grid pattern, so that you can go along with the squares that are on the grid pattern to put down any other accents that you want to do. And I'm going to line up with that box there. You have to be careful with washi tape because it wants to go its own way most of the time. So you just follow along with the box, and then I'm going to hand tear about the same amount as there to there. I love that. I like how that turned out. And now I will use this little die cut piece. So this circle, of course, goes along with my wonky lined up circles that I have there. And I'm going to do my title for this layout vertically this way. Let's see here. I'm going to use Hello Summer, and then I'm going to put Hello Summer Happy List there. So I'm going to speed this part up because you know how to put down alpha stickers. So there is my title, Hello Summer Happy List. And I am going to use some of the printables that comes with our kit each month. I love this little octopus. I don't know where I'm going to put him, but I love him. And of course the little turtle and the blowfish. They're all so cute. I've got some seahorses around here somewhere. I'll find them. Oh, I've got some here on this sticker sheet. And might use some of these die cuts. I'm going to finish adding my decorations, and then I'll come back and show you how I'm going to hand letter on this side and then journal on this side. Okay, so my decorating is done. I've got my title here, and I've got some printables put down, and this is a die cut from the Pocket Memory Keeping Kit. Now I'm going to show you some hand lettering on this side. I'm going to make a list, and I'll show you the first couple, how I hand letter, and then I'll speed it up, and I'm going to do my journaling on this side, and then I'll give you some still shots at the end of the finished product. All right, so I love the Sharpie pen, and it's not the fine tip. It doesn't even have lettering other than Sharpie pen on it. But I found these on Amazon. It was a pack of 2 or 3, and I have used up the ink in every one of them, and I've got more in my cart on Amazon. I love using these to hand letter. So I'm going to make a list of 10 summer things that make us all happy around here. So it's not just my list, it's our family's list that we like to do. All right, so number 1, and I'm going to do my numbers with a circle around them. Circles are kind of the theme we're going with on this. So number 1 is going to be camping. So I'm going to start my hand lettering. And again, I'm going by the grid that's already on the paper. Cocoa Daisy makes it very easy to get some straight lettering done. Okay, so there is my number 1 on our summer happy list. Number 2, let's do that circle, is going to be my kids' favorite, swimming. And I'm just going along with that grid. So I can stay straight. I may go back and shadow some of these letters in. And this is how I'm going to do my list on this side. I'm going to hand letter 10 items, and then on this side, I'm going to journal about it. And like I said, at the end, I'll show you some still shots of the finished product. Thanks for staying with me this long, guys. I appreciate it. Here we go, finishing up.